I wonder where my mom could be. Far out. Maybe too much. So what are we making today?
Well, your grandfather, Papa Rooney, would like some granola.
Nice.
So I whipped out.
Right on.
Right on, brother. So I thought we'd make Aunt Melissa, his sister's granola recipe that we used to make in the commune. We used to make in the commune when I was 2. But yeah.
Not many people know that you used to live on a commune.
Yep. What was up your nose? Oh, cool, man.
Yeah, right
Okay.
on. So I got the recipe right here, but it looks like we already got everything measured out.
Yes, we do. Yep. So it's just oats are the foundation, and honey because we used to keep bees. Bob kept bees on the commune, and maple syrup because we'd get maple syrup from the farmer down the street. Bunch of nuts and coconut. But this is like one of those cool recipes where, hey man, you can add whatever.
You gotta sing Mixed Nuts again so I can say my mom. So try that again.
You can put whatever you feel like mixed nuts.
That's what they should call our family. Or wait, no. I messed that one up. Try it again.
But like you can add whatever, man, floats your boat.
Right on.
Whatever feels groovy, like mixed nuts.
I think that's what they call our family. All right. Yeah,
So, you
groovy.
ready?
So, is groovy? Is that?
Yes, that's
Right.
yeah.
So, do we just start pouring everything into the oats?
Yeah, it's really quite simple. Just dump it all in.
All right.
Like that. Some oil. A little bit of water just to thin it all out.
And we measured all this out, but
Yeah,
you don't really have to. You can just sort of eyeball it.
sure. I mean, it also it makes the kind of granola I like.
Mhm.
But if you like it where it all sticks together, you could add more sweetener.
Man, this
Looks good, right?
syrup's taking its time.
That's honey, dude. And you can get yourself a rubber spatula. I'll get rubber spatula.
This is honey. Did I just call it syrup?
Yeah, you did.
Oh, so after.
Super groovy. Chia seeds. Right.
No, we usually do it with what kind of seeds?
Oh, sesame.
Yeah.
But there's no rules. You can do chia's like really good for you. You can do flax seeds.
Now just mix this all up.
Yeah, and the nuts, the mixed nuts, go in now, and then once it's baked and ready, you can add dried fruit too.
Yeah, and this is
So
great because you
stir
can
that up.
save it and eat it for breakfast with
Just
yogurt.
keep it in the bowl.
I'm trying.
We're making a giant batch of it because we're gonna bring some over to your Bopalicious. Okay, that looks great. And then here we just put it out onto baking sheets.
How many are we gonna need?
We might actually need 3. This
How'd you
time.
guys bake it on the commune?
Well, so it turns out that, we were baking they baked it to feed all the people on the commune, but then they also sold it. This was like one of the things they used to make money for the commune. And they had built a pizza oven.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, an outdoor wood-fired oven. And that's where they baked the granola, and they called it Gloverola because the town that they lived in was Glover.
Where's Glover?
In the Northeast Kingdom of Vermont. It's like the hippiest place on the planet still today.
Really?
Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, is that like you're sure it's all mixed in the bottom and everything? Because there you go.
My hand's nice and
Perfect.
sticky.
Yeah, good. Okay, that looks good.
Yeah. Let's put it on these.
Okay, you go wash up and I'll do this part. Just get it. You just want to make sure that it's even on here. I'm gonna get it onto 2. Yeah, I think we can get this onto 2. Okay, so we bake it, and then in about 20
I
minutes.
just washed my hands back to doing this.
We're gonna bake it, and then 20 minutes later we'll go in and stir it so that we make sure that it bakes evenly, especially.
And how long do you bake it for?
Well, it depends. Don't pat it down too much because we want to be able to stir it. There you go. The timing will depend on how thick you get it on the sheet. So if it's like a thin layer on here, it'll take less time. That looks great. This looks awesome.
Yeah, this does look awesome. This is gonna make a lot
too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we can send some to Charlie at school.
He's coming home next weekend.
Yeah. Oh, is that what he told you?
Yeah.
Oh. The things you learn on baking with your mother.
About the whereabouts of your own children.
Okay, that looks great. Into the oven we go. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Double decker.
Yeah, here we go.
All right. So
Far out.
far out. Easy, man.
Alright, so we're just gonna be.
Perfect. Thank you. So we just want to stir it because it gets toastier around the edges. And then we'll pop it right back in to the oven and just keep doing that until it's like toasty throughout the whole thing. Smells so good. So we'll come back in 10 more minutes and stir it again and just keep doing that until it's the way we like it.
Right on.
Right on, dude.
Alright, I'll take these back over to the oven. Try not to drop them.
Careful.
No, open the oven for me.
That's a toasty bit.
Where'd they come from?
They look great.
Yeah, they do look very good.
You did a marvelous job.
I think they came out very well. So
Yeah.
as they dry, they will get harder.
As they cool,
Cool, right?
they will get they'll dry out.
Okay.
Yep. And
Awesome.
we ended up stirring it like 4 times.
4 times, every 10 minutes or so. For
And they
4 times.
look great. So
Yeah.
you just want to make sure you don't go too far because the nuts will get like burnt and taste bad. So you really want to watch it. But that looks terrific. Now we dump it into a big bowl
Okay.
and add dried fruit to it if you want.
Yeah, I'm not, I'm not a huge raisin fan, but we've got some dried blueberries over there too.
Yeah,
So let me try to do this without making a massive,
Alright.
massive mess.
That's all right. Just do the whole thing with it. Perfect. Parking out. There you go.
That.
When I was a kid, Bob and Grandma told me that raisins were candy, so which was a lie. But I love raisins. Okay, here. So
Awesome.
that's a nice big batch of it.
Yeah, that's a ton.
So you want to take some out?
Yeah, let's take
Sorry,
some out for
you
me to keep just regular without the fruit and stuff.
Look at that itty bit.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put, no, do you want more than that?
Yeah, I do. Here, let me grab a bigger bowl. Oh.
Yeah, you're like a magician
Yeah?
with your bowls appearing. Okay, here. Usually I have like red apricots and all kinds of business in here. Ooh, dude. Alright,
There we go.
that's good. Okay, so raisins can go in this one, right?
Yeah. And then you just mix all that in?
Yeah, just toss it around. You can put any kind of dried fruit in here.
We should
Yeah,
just
I mean, you
start,
could even do
we
like.
should just start bagging this stuff and selling it.
I know, it's so good. That's what Aunt Melissa used to do.
Sell it?
Yeah, and sell it. And feed the people on the commune, all kinds of stuff. All right, that's it. Easy, so easy. Let's get
Yeah.
some bowls and some milk,
That's awesome. All right.
shall we?
Should I do some magic again?
Yeah. What do you want to do?
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, not that. Would you look at that?
Look at that. All right, let's have some. Awesome.
You're not gonna put your dried blueberries in there?
Yeah, yeah. Don't you? I thought you wanted dried blueberries. Look at mine. Looks awesome. Thank you, dude. Let me grab some.
Grab some spoons. Yeah, this looks very, very good. I'm very happy with how this turned out. And it's pretty easy. It took us about half hour in total. Not bad at all.
That is
Ingredients
beautiful.
are most things people would have around the house.
Mm. That's my childhood in a bowl, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. So easy and yummy.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah, Bop is gonna love this.
Yeah.
So we'll put this in a big jar and bring it over to him.
Yep. Thank you guys for watching. This was a very fun one to do.
Yeah.
Very easy. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Yeah. I guess this will come out 2 weeks from now, but yeah, there's
They don't need to
Zoe
know that.
Zoe Bakes on Discovery Plus. Both of our Instagrams. We've got a baking with my mother Instagram now. You can follow that. Thank you guys for watching.